welcome to another Projector People review. Today we're taking a look at the Optoma EH512. This is a professional installation projector that actually projects in HD, so it makes it a perfect application for house of worship, business, museums, even large classrooms. So let's dive into some of the specs. This is a bright 5,000 lumen projector with a 15,000 to 1 contrast ratio. This means that it's bright enough and sharp enough for very large crowds and spaces. This projector is also jam-packed with features that makes presenting so much easier. For example, it comes with built-in HDcast Pro for screen mirroring. It also comes in with LAN display so that you can connect up to 4 computers at the same time. There's also a lot of flexibility when it comes to this projector. It comes with vertical lens shift, keystone correction, and my personal favorite feature, the 12V trigger, meaning when you power on the projector, an electric screen can be programmed to automatically come down, and when you turn off the projector, the screen can automatically be programmed to go back up. So, between the robust input options, built-in features like the Crestron room view, and the fact that it projects in HD, means that this projector is perfect for many different large venue applications. Now, let's take a look at the back inputs. This projector is packed with inputs. You can see here it's got video, RJ45, it has 2 USB ports, so it also has 2 HDMI ports. You'll see here that it's got a VGA in and a VGA out. It also has an RS-232 located right here. It also has audio in and audio out if you're looking to hook up speakers or surround sound. It has a 3D sync for 3D glasses. It also has a 12V out. This is for connecting with your electric screen if you'd like to program it to turn on and off with the electric screen. On the top here, you'll find more easy-to-use features like the keystone correction buttons, the power on, information, and then if we move up here, you'll find lens shift, zoom, and the focus.